We are going to do our first proof, and it's going to be a 2-column proof. And we're going to base it off of the last problem that I made a video on with the transitive property of equality. So here's that last problem, and if you'll look, my proof is that the problem that we did, just in the proper setup. A proof is a logical argument that uses deductive reasoning to show that a statement is true. And the 2-column proof is the one that we're going to start off with. It's got number, statements, and reasons. So on the 2-column proof, statements on the left, reasons on the right. The problem that we were working with on the last video wanted us to prove that DBA, this angle DBA made up of angles 2 and 3, was congruent to angle EBC, which is made up of 1 and 2. We did that, and you probably need to go back and look at that video. But then they ask us to take that same one and make it into a proof. Well, we see that the measure of angle 1 and angle 3 are congruent. That's just given information, and most of the time given is the very first thing that you write. Then the DBA is angles 2 and 3 added together. Well, that's the angle addition postulate. Now, since I'm wanting the EBC, which is 1 and 2, to come along into play here, I can talk about how the DBA is 2 and 3, but 3 can be replaced with 1. So the measure of DBA equals the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2, and I've just replaced the 3 with a 1 because I need that 1 in my problem. That's just me substituting using the substitution property of equality. Now that I've stated that, I'm going to say, well, the measure of angle 1 and angle 2 is the EBC that I wanted. Now I'm looking here and here. The measure of angle DBA equals the measure of angle 1 added to the measure of angle 2, and then it starts off saying the measure of angle 1 and the measure of angle 2 equals EBC. I can mark these out, and I'm left with DBA equals EBC. Those angles are equal by the transitive property of equality, and my first proof is complete.